Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Today I want to show you how to install one of the best camera application for your Samsung Galaxy Note 8. You can also do the same action for Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S10, S10 Plus, and all phones in the world, okay? With the same method, and this application is also for Android 9P. Wonderful. Yes, as you see, it's so great and so beautiful. This is One UI. One UI. You can also install this to all Android OS. To install this, go on a Play Store like that. And when you come here, you can see what you can see here. This camera is called Edge Camera. Edge Camera 2. Okay? Now you can see Edge Camera 2 Advanced here in front of you. As you see is here, and you can click on install, and you can install this beautiful application like that. Okay, wonderful, beautiful. Now when it's done, come here and localize your beautiful application here. Now open this and get ready to the first configuration. Click on hello again, and you can see a beautiful notification in front of you. What you can read, as you can see touch to focus and press the blue camera button to take photo. Okay, wonderful. Click on OK. Now you can access to your beautiful new camera application. For me, this camera advance is so wonderful. It's complete. There are many features into for you. Look at that, for example. You can see all these beautiful features here for photo. You can change like that. Focus mode infinity. You can also do the same action for the next focus macro. You can also do this focus mode continuous, and it's great, so nice and so great. There are many features into, and you can also activate the manual. This is the flash is manual. You can activate like that when you take a photo. Not activate here, but you can do this. You can do this to activate like that, like a torch. Okay, wonderful. You can click on auto to take a beautiful photo like that. Okay, let me take a beautiful photo. As you see here, there are two beautiful icons here. This is for photo and this is for video recording. Okay, now let's take a photo right now. 1 2 3 4. Do this. You can do this to zoom into this beautiful picture like that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, this is so nice. This is so great. Oh, I like it. Look at it again. Wow, wonderful, beautiful. I like it. And you can take a photo. This is without the flash. Look at the photo. The photo that I have took with you. Look at that now. Look at the quality. Wow, it's so beautiful. Let me clean my beautiful screen before doing this. Clean. Wonderful. Beautiful screen. Now unlock and let's see. Look at that. It's so shine. It's amazing. It's nice. I think that is amazing. It's great, it's great, it's good. There are more detail. That is so nice. This is amazing. Wow. Amazing photo for you. Wow. More information about this. This is here. I like it. Wonderful. Okay. Now, let's take the same photo with the flash. Activate the flash. Flash like that. And take a beautiful photo. Okay? Without zoom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this. Look at that. Look at that. It's so clean also. So clean and so naturalist. So beautiful. Let me zoom now into this photo and take another photo like the first photo. Okay? Like that. A beautiful picture. Photo. Oh, so quick. It's so fast. Look at that. This is so nice. It's more beautiful on the real life than on this camera. For me, it's amazing. It's wonderful. Look at its quality. This quality is almost amazing. I think excellent. This is wow. I like it. Okay. As you see, there are more features into. Last year, this is for exposure. And it's nice. You can click on plus, minus. You can do this. Look at that. You can do this. Plus to increase the bright light, the exposure to decrease like that. Okay, look at that. As you can see, wonderful. Minus 0 here. As you see, the indication here is so wonderful, so simple. It's so easy to use this application and it's nice. Autofocus adjuster, adjustment lock it. Wonderful. Okay, now you can see face. Many things here for you. Wow, many features here that you can use. You can see the camera resolution here also. You can also see white balance, incandescence, and other cloudy scene. You can also see HDR. Let's take a HDR photo. Okay, let's do this right now. HDR picture. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. Let's see this picture. Look at that. Oh, this is great. It's great. More detail. There are more detail. There are more detail. So more detail into what? I can believe it. I can believe it. What the hell? There are so more detail. Wow. Wow. Okay. Now, let me zoom again. Let me take a picture like that. Like that. Okay. Okay, I also want to see again. Wow. Take a picture approximately. Ooh. Look at that. This is amazing. There are more detail on this beautiful picture. As you can see, this is amazing. This is nice. Wow. For me, this camera is one of the best camera that you can obtain, and is also complete. More beautiful, complete camera for you. What do you think? I like it. Wow. Okay. Now click on Face Beautiful Camera for video recording. Scene mode HDR. Have you seen this? You can see the HDR scene and HDR is also enabled. Okay. Now get ready to recording a video. 1 2 3 4 5. Before doing 1 2 3 4 5, let's go recording without the flash. As you can see, not bad, beautiful, and you can take a photo into with this button, the photo button. Okay, like that, and you can zoom into like that, into this picture. Wow, into this video. Okay, and when you talk, you can see here the sound of your beautiful speaker. Okay, the sound, your voice can appear here. This is so professional. Okay, I like it. You can increase the bright light like that, increase, decrease. Wow, this is nice. It's not all. There are also a beautiful option here for focus. This is manual focus. Look at that. This is focus auto. Look at that now. It's so blue. This is blue. But when you do this, clean. But when you do this, blue. But when you do this, clean. And look at that. When you activate the video, the focus mode continue, you can do this. It's green. It's great. It's wonderful, and it's instantaneous. You can take a photo directly into, and you can navigate with this beautiful touch. Activate the flash like that, and your video is more beautiful now. Yes, I like this option. This option is why I have downloaded this application. There are open camera, one of the best camera. There are footage camera, but I like also this because you can do this, all of this, and this is great. Wow, I like it. Disappear the exposure, appear the exposure, disappear, appear. Now click on stop. Now let's watch your video. Look at that. This is your video that you are recording with HDR Richardson enabled. This is amazing. This is wow, amazing. Look at the quality of this video. For me, this is one of the best. I like it. More detail. with the HDR return enabled. The scene, oh, so nice. Look at that. Look at that. I like this. This is so clean, so natural. Natural. This is so natural. Look at that. HDR return, all of this. Oh, enable. Oh, I like this. Okay. It's not finished. Look at. When you want to take a selfie photo, you can do this. Do this. To turn the camera for selfie photo. And as you see, there are beautiful symbol here. You can do this to activate the selfie mode. Look at that. You can see here it's changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1. And you can recording after that. This is great. This is so nice. You can also take a photo like that. You can also do the same action. And that is amazing. You can change for autofocus mode, for autofocus, or video continuous. This is great. And there are more options into that I want to show you. Okay, before I do it, let me recording now a beautiful quality of selfie. Do it. Let me show you. Hello, how are you? HDR return. What is this? Okay. Nice. Okay, I'll click on stop. Now let's see this video. Look at that. Look at that. This is with HDR return. HDR video. Okay. Wonderful. It's not bad. You can deactivate this. And when you turn your camera again, you can see your beautiful photos here. Let's go on photo. Okay? Before doing that, let's go on video before. And you can recording. And here, you can see more things here. Focus macro, focus lock. Wow, infinity focus. Bien, yes. When you can do more things into that you can expect. For example, come on a beautiful settings. You can see face detection. You can enable, and there are also selfie mode where you can activate burst interval, and another settings for you. And you can also see sound. You can configure all of this. Max sound and another. Wow, what else? You can see video setting. All of our settings are here. You can do this and do this. Wow, this is great. You can see more features into. And if you want to recording a 4K video, you need to activate this mode to recording of 4K video, and you are ready now to recording on 4K video. Okay, can do this and recording right now. 4K video started. Look at that. This is great. Nice. Click on stop. And let's see this video. Look at that. More detail. Beautiful. wonderful. And when you see the properties, you can see the size. This is 4K videos. Look at that. So nice and so great. Look at the quality. This is so nice and so beautiful. Wow, I like it. I like it. For me, this is one of the best camera. You can also see open camera. You can also see the same features on open camera. But on open camera, when you're recording a video, you can touch the focus. The focus disappears. This is the difference between. You are also a beautiful footage camera for you. Footage camera is also one of the complete and the best camera that you can download. Look at under. You can see slow motion, video, photo, burst, HDR, RAW, panorama. Look at that. This is so great. And you can also activate and do that with a flash here, or activate like that. If you want, you turn the camera. Also video, you can turn the camera. Wonderful. This is great. And you can also recording a 4K with video with the main camera. Let me show you 4K video in front of you, unlimited. Okay, you need absolutely to activate this mode, max duration. Okay, unlimited. Wonderful. This is the best camera that you can obtain of One UI and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and another device in the world. This is great, nice and big. Subscribe today for more videos, and God bless you. I love you so much.